Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to make easy, yet professional looking YouTube thumbnails, which are also 100% free. Start by going to the link in the description, or just typing in Canva in your browser. If you do not have an account yet, you can register for free. When you already have one, just log in. When logged in, you can search for templates. You've got templates for almost everything on here. But today we are looking for YouTube thumbnails. And here you go. Lots to choose from. Some of them do have this little orange crown in the right bottom corner. These can only be used if you buy the Pro version of Canva. But there are more than enough free templates. As you can see, everything is adjustable. And on the left, they give you some more who Canva itself thinks can be useful to you. You can also add in your own pictures and texts and make it your very own thumbnail. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.